Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are looking at parallelisms and perpendicularities of a line. So let's explain that. So for parallelism or parallel, we have for two lines or for lines to be parallel to each other, the gradients must be equal to each other. So that is, for you to have lines to be parallel, must have the gradient to be equal to what? Each other. That is, we are having M1 for gradient 1 must be equal to what? M2. For parallelism, for perpendicularity, for lines to be perpendicular, product of the gradients is equals to -1. That takes M1 times M2 must be equal to what? -1. Then we have M1, M2 equals to what? -1. So if you make M1 the subject of the formula, we have M1 equals to -1 over M2, or if you make M2 the subject, we have -1 over what? M1. So M1 equals to -1 over M2, and M2 equals to -1 over M1. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving questions on parallelisms and perpendicularity. See you in the next class.